Good day, everyone. Welcome to Rain Maman's Everyday Channel, where we discuss everything here, everyday life's happenings, automotive, um, things happening around life and stuff like that. Number one, I would like to talk about today is engine misfire. Engine misfire is very common. It happens daily to different kinds of cars. Something that you deal with every day. Symptoms of engine misfiring can be your car's busy jerking. You have black smoke coming from the exhaust pipe. Your car's not pulling properly. Yeah, so what stuff you need to look out for if you have an engine misfire? You will have to look at your spark plug leads. Your spark plugs, especially spark plugs, can give a major problem with your spark plug leads and your coil as well. Then you can look at air leaks, especially in the carburetor engines. They have air leaks as well. So stuff like that you need to look out for. Just check your spark plugs first, and then you go over to your coil wires and your coil. That can be something that happens daily. So just check that stuff out, and yeah, have a good day, guys. Check me, subscribe to this channel. Like, it will help. More content will come out weekly. So yeah, thanks guys, enjoy your day.